What up? 5 in the morning. Joseph, Rebels Haven Organic. We are getting our first snow of the season. And it's a lot of snow. Look at how tall it is on my truck. We got probably 7-8 inches of snow. I'm trying to get it off the top of here. I gotta plow my way out of here. And you can see how tall the snow is. We got a large amount of snow. Yeah. I'm gonna go make some coffee real quick, and then we're gonna do our first full day of snow plowing. I got 13 jobs to go do, so I need to put me a cap on. I'll go inside, brush my hair, put me a cap on, make me some coffee, and then we're gonna hit the road and we're gonna go get some snow plowing done. We're gonna make us some money. Let's do it. Well, as y'all can see, it is 31 degrees out. It has been snowing all night long. Going about 51 mile an hour. We're sliding around a little bit, but having all this weight on the front end really gives it a little bit of traction up front, which helps me track in the direction I want to go. That's pretty cool. I can feel the rear end slipping around a little bit in this dually, so I might need to put some weight back there. But not too bad, not too bad. Let's see what we got here. Truck's been running for 38 minutes at this point. We've only done 6 miles. Had to, start it, warm it up, clear all the snow off of it, and then push all the snow out of my driveway. I have over 8 inches in my driveway, so. Last year I would have been charging 25% more for the heavy snow, but this year I'm under contract to do subcontracting. We agreed to $150 an hour, which is probably not quite enough because last year I was charging $265 an hour for the truck, so I'm like $115 less, but I got 13 jobs and didn't even have to do no work for it. So that in itself has value. So I'm pretty excited about that. I went from having no jobs to 13 jobs in one day. So that's pretty freaking sweet. We have a total of 7.33 hours worth of work. That's how much has been quoted out. So I'm guaranteed at least 7 hours worth of work. Pretty freaking sweet. So we're gonna come out here and make some money today. Got the police. We're gonna come out here and try to make some money today, and every day, honestly. Every day it snows, I should be able to come out and do these jobs, make a little bit of money. That'll help me pay for this truck. That'll help me pay for this dadgum truck bill. I think the truck note on this is like right at $1,400 a month. It's like 8% interest on the loan. Crazy, right? Yeah, absolutely insane. So we got to pay this sucker off fast, super fast. But if I can get it to work and do like this, it'll pay for itself. And that's what I'm talking about. I want my money making money. So that'll be sweet. If I can get this truck to pay for itself, oh, I'll be tickled. I'll be just so tickled. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get back focused on the road. We'll drive up here. I'll take some more videos as we go along. Let's start the day. 5:42. Let's go. Just made it back to the house. Plowed my way in. She did good. First day was a success, I'd say anyways. Oop. We got out there. Dang it, my arm hurts. I can't really hold that phone with that arm. Ooh, my shoulder hurts bad. First day done. Getting it done. Oh no, it looks like I backed into something. Look at that. Of course I did. Of course I did. I hope I didn't break nothing. Oh, looks good. Dang. Well, other than that little bit of damage, we did okay. Got like 14 jobs. I don't know what I slid into. That's concerning. I don't remember hitting anything, but I clearly hit something. Dang. Well, it wasn't anybody's vehicles or house, that's for sure, so probably a rock or something. Dang, that's a bummer. But we got 14 jobs done. I'm about to go do 2 more. Had people hit me up while I was out doing those contract jobs. So we're gonna have like 16 jobs today. Pretty good. Pretty good for the first snowfall. I'm happy. All right, let's get back in here. All right, we're on the second to last job. I'm almost done, and I just wasn't paying attention. And I thought I could just push that. I don't know why I thought I could push it that far. And I went whoop, right off into that little ditch. And it's just enough to bury the tire. So, called a buddy. He's gonna come over. He lives right down the road, and he's gonna help give me a hand trying to pull this thing out. Whoops. Don't tell nobody I did that. I told my wife about the dent in the muffler, and she was upset, but I think we'll be able to get past it because, yeah, it's a work truck and it was an accident. I didn't do it on purpose. Just like I didn't do this on purpose. Look at this silliness. This truck's kind of heavy, so like whenever I tried to stop, it slid. So I got to definitely put studs on it. I think with some studded tires, some studded snow tires though, she's gonna be perfect. All right, well, I'm gonna try to dig out these front tires and wait for my buddy to show up. See if I can't pull this thing out so I can finish the driveway. Talk to y'all soon. Day 2 of plowing snow. I got Rev with me this morning. And look at the view of this property. Are you kidding me? Look at this place. This is stunning. Dog sledder. But wow. Just look at that sun rising over that mountain over there. That's just insane to me. Do you see all these mountains? Whole range. What a view. Crazy. Anyways, let me get back to it. You ready to go? Yeah. Are you live? Yeah, it's live.
In the street, gonna be killed, and everybody just keep taking their bill.
Wow, you are a little more serious.
Think about the fire truck.
Yeah.
You want to get down now?
Yeah.
Okay. Come get him, Mom.
You can step down.
Yeah, these things are crazy. Just rounded up all the chickens. I drug one kennel over there. Man, I'm whooped from that. Take all these chickens and bring them to a place called Chickapalooza there in Wasilla. And they sell chickens and ducks and things like that. So I'm gonna bring the chickens down there and she says she can sell them for me. So that's cool. See you later, chickies. I'm gonna have surgery on my shoulder soon, and I don't think I'll be able to take care of them very well over the winter, so I'm just gonna drag them out of here, bring them to a new home in this winter wonderland. I got snow all in my boots. I can feel it melting. Feet are getting wet. Lame. All right, let's go. Dang, this is tough. Oh. Dang, that's tiring. Okay, look right there to go. Woo! 2 kennels worth of chickens. We made it to Chickapalooza. No sign. Thought there'd be a sign, but there's no sign. Here you go. And she's gonna take these chickens and find them a new home. Hello. See you later. Let me get these chickens to their new house, and then we'll be back on the road. Talk to you soon. See you later. So we're in here. She sells whole chickens. She'll actually process your chicken for you if you'd like. She sells chicken supplies. There's birds back there. Lots of birds, some rabbits. And she'll also sell your eggs for you. Lots of fresh eggs. Check these out. Goose eggs. What? Look at that. That's pretty neat. Goat's milk. Quail eggs. The fluffy butt hut. I thought that was funny. I like that. Anyways, this is Chickapalooza. What's your name?
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.
And sometimes my mother's here, Angela.
Angela. They run this place. I'll check it out. I'm gonna leave the birds here and she's gonna sell them for me. I appreciate that. I'm not sure what happened, but the truck wasn't making any heat, and now I'm up here. I gotta drop the plow at the dealership because something's wrong with the truck. And yeah, I don't know. So here we are. I gotta try to unhook it. Alright. And I'll go see what's wrong. To be continued.